I will never forget being trapped in Hurricane Katrina for days. That lesson taught me to always have a backup plan, especially with power. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. For years, fuel-powered standby generators were the go-to option for backup power. Today, there's a newer, more eco-friendly and potentially safer option, home battery backup systems. They store energy to power your home during an outage. Tesla's Powerwall can be mounted inside your garage like many other competitors. Charging comes from either solar panels or tapping into the electric grid. Certain natural gas and propane generators, like this popular Generac standby model, can connect to your home's gas line or propane tank, so there's no need to refill them manually. Diesel generators, however, will need to be topped off in order to keep them running. So which is a better option for you? Let's take a closer look. Battery backups are the pricier option up front, but they don't have the required ongoing fuel costs. They don't make noise, they require almost no maintenance, and don't spew out exhaust. On the other hand, standby generators have a lower upfront cost, but you'll need to factor in the fuel cost to keep them running. They do make noise and require ongoing maintenance. So here's an important factor. How long will either power your home when needed? Backup battery systems will keep your home powered for hours, not days. A standby generator, when hooked up to natural gas, can keep the lights on for days, even a week or more. No matter which way you go, consider your power needs. Factor in installation costs for each, and then calculate any potential rebates available in your area. For me, I needed 5 days backup power stuck in New Orleans. Only a standby generator would have made sense before power was restored. You want to see some smart reviews? Head online to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.